It is now that time of year, Vlogmas, a video every single day up until Christmas, and we have a bunch of stuff planned. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're starting off at Post-Matsuri right after Formula Drift, and then we're gonna kind of catch up with time as things go along. We have obviously a lot of traveling to get done this Vlogmas, but I hope you guys stick around every day for a new vlog. Let's get to it.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. I'm back at Ebisu Circuit. Last night, I slept at the hotel by Fuji Speedway, rushed all the way up here this morning so that we can still enjoy the last day of Drift Matsuri. But before we get into shredding, I got someone I want you to meet. This is Suinaga-san, the manager of Ebisu Circuit, and this is Kumakuwa-san, the owner. And they have something that they want to say to you guys.
Thank you, GoFundMe. Yeah, thank you, donation, and finish West Coast.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Today I'm hoping to do some driving with Suinaga-san, so it should be good. Maybe, we'll see. He's in a 180 and my chase is heavy. But thank you so much, guys. Arigato.
Thank you.
Look who just pulled in. Yo, I heard you just flew in.
Yeah, recently. Yeah.
Car's looking good. Fresh front tires.
Fresh front, fresh rears.
Doors looking good.
Front bumper, rear bumpers off from Matsuri. I'm gonna put it back on for EDS.
Nice.
You missed it yesterday. I was on people's doors, fam.
Yeah?
I was there.
All right. Well, let's get some doors today.
Yeah, bro. Sounds good.
Wait, should we not? So we don't break our cars?
Well, for real.
Like for real, every time we try to drive with each other.
It breaks. Like,
Every time.
maybe what we'll do is you can be the
Last 30 minutes.
on Nishi trains when everyone goes.
Yeah,
to
let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it. So good to catch up with Kumakuwa-san, Suinaga-san, and then Milky. But we gotta fix this. She's looking a little flat in the rear. Wait, or is it just all the tire stretch? You know what? It might just be tire stretch. I don't think flat tires. I don't think they're flat. Oh no, it's definitely a little. How you doing? But since the crash, I haven't had time to make sure that the front end feels good. From me driving it up from storage down there to here, felt all right. So we'll put some air in the rear and go send it. I'm gonna go out, destroy these tires on Higashi because I'll probably only get like 2 laps if I'm lucky, linking the whole track. But I really want to try and just do the entry, the massive mungie. I want some high-speed drifting. I want to get some frustrations out because of the results at FD. But I also just want to make sure you guys know, like, I'm not upset whatsoever. I'm definitely like bummed that we missed out on one point. Like that kind of hurts a little. But for the whole season, like I didn't even get to drive the entire season. First time in a new car that I've never driven before. And like there was just such, like it was such a throw in the deep end. And I had no idea how we were gonna come out. But for my first ever time competing, we got top 4 on one of the rounds, and I think that's awesome. And we learned so much about the car, fixed so many problems. So next year we can go into it with everything done right. Anyways, let's do some Higashi high-speed drifting and have some fun.
Let's get it.
out of tire. was that? You came up the hill spinning them.
Yeah, it was bad. They're pretty bold. What do they look like?
Yeah, I'd say they're done.
Yeah.
They're done.
All right. Well, I think we just, we got a Nishi now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
This is my pit crew member, Logan, for the day. We just, I don't know where he came from or what happened, but... $5. That's pretty cheap. That's cheaper than this guy.
Yeah, that is. What's going on here? Hey, you forgot about the other side. I got it.
He's all good. He was $5, man. You can't expect much. Where did I get you? $5? $6. Nishi Short is open, but also Nishi's bank is open. Get a load of this. Look how cool that is. Everyone's driving the bank. Let's go. I'm gonna go out in the chaser. We're gonna drive the bank for the first time. Oh my. I forgot to pull the wheel chock out. Snap-on's good for only this thing, I guess. This thing has no power anymore. Let's see how the bank goes. That's hard, but it's good, like so much fun. I was trying to get as deep up into the wall as possible, but I realized like with this car power and stuff like that, it wasn't gonna work. So I started following the lines that everyone else is doing and it flows really nice. You're just gonna be like committed. If you like don't get on throttle at the right time, you're in the wall and you mess up bad. But yeah, it's great.
Nice.
So the bank was great, but it destroyed my tires really, really quickly. And I want to do some driving on Nishi Short with everyone. So we're going to go do that. I think though there's still a fair few like learners out on Nishi Short, so we have to be careful who we're driving with right now. Usually around like the last like hour and a half of Matsuri is when all the guys get out who wanted to train. So we'll just chill and see what's going on. Do some driving. I've got some grippy boys on the back right now because that's just all that's mounted. I feel sorry for Adam. He's going to definitely complain, but
Send it.
Yep. my transmission and Adam crashed into me. I blew third gear. Oh my God.
I think they made contact.
I just blew third gear in my transmission. I'm so sorry, I just blew third gear. It looks fine. Okay, I'm sorry. Third gear's gone. Chaser, it might be time to retire this old girl. Means I can't drive tomorrow either. Good times. Hang on. I'm sure you know by now, but we blew third gear in the Chaser. Last time it was second gear down the hill at Nishi. This time it was third gear. Not surprised because we had the 3.9 and I've been clutch kicking third at the top, so it's been rough on it. But because I lost like forward momentum and gearing, I completely straightened out in front of Adam and he crashed into me. Luckily, he just pushed in this, and it seems like his car got out pretty unscathed. But yeah, I'm done for today. That was a short Matsuri for me. Car lasted a couple hours. I didn't even get any door taps. I'm upset. I blew third gear, my transmission exploded, so I'm gonna do the one thing I have never done at a Matsuri. Have a drink with the boys! Hey.
What is that?
Hey, wait, someone give me a can. Sorry, no, give me their keys right now. You film this.
That won't
I don't care what it is. This is
Wait,
someone give me their keys. It's your own key. Come on, this is for you, Rodney. Make sure, you know, we fold in those little sharp bits. That's a good one, right? That's a good little one, right?
I mean, I make it a little bit bigger, but yeah.
All right. This content's never been on my channel before, but let's go.
Drinking channel. Hurry up!
Woo!
Why is it still in the can? You've been out of shot too. Can't scout. So what? You blew diff and gear.
That hurts so much.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Happy Matsuri, everybody. Staff to go out and save Daigo because he crashed into Jason and the whole front end was destroyed, radiator and all. My man just coming through with some more drinks from the convenience store.
Thank you, bro. Woo! Yo, and they're nice and cold, baby.
Woo! Loving this. Dude, he's got a whole bag full. Cheers, boys.
Hold on.
Here's to next year qualifying every single round and getting podium.
Yes, sir.
Winning every single round.
Yes,
Oh, cheers to that.
Cheers to that one.
Cheers! Cheers! Matsuri is now over, but look who is here. It's Randy.
The tallest dude in Japan.
The tallest dude in Japan.
Have they seen us side by side yet? It's pretty bad. Well, actually, hold on.
You're about the same height as May.
I gotta stand right here on the taller side. You see that? There you go. It's not that bad anymore.
You're fine. You're fine. Randy, what are you excited about? Why are you here in Japan? What's going on? Tell me.
I'm here for Drift Matsuri, and dude, I lived up the whole experience.
Yeah?
Like, literally everything broke down on the way here. My car that I bought broke down the first 5 minutes, but you know what? I had a blast, and honestly, my next trip will not be this tragic. So
everyone always, their first trip is always the worst. I'm just gonna say it. Their first Matsuri is always like all the problems.
Even though it was the worst though, I had a blast.
That's good.
I was able to drive for 2 hours.
Yeah.
I got a little bit better. I got to drive Toge course.
Yeah.
North course.
Yeah.
And Nishi, right?
Yeah, this is Nishi.
Dude, I didn't get to drive anything else, but either way, I'm coming for your door next time.
Let's do it. Right here. Add it to the line. This is this side. Probably the other side's where you'll be, but
Yeah. We'll see. I just need more seat time, but I'm gonna be here probably during spring. Who knows?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come probably 5 times this year, so
do it.
yes.
You got a place whenever you need it.
And hopefully I get to learn from Salmon a little bit. Hanging out with, I don't know, just drifting with like people better than you, dude. You get good, like, you know what I mean?
That's what I mean. Like I always try to drive with people. Like I was just talking to Daigo Saito before. I'm like, bro, let me drive with you. Let me just learn from you. Let me sit in your passenger seat. Like that's how you learn. You throw yourself in the deep end where you know like you're not like at that same level, and that's the only time you thrive and learn and absorb so much.
I was afraid, to be honest, but like
Yeah.
I hopped in Josh's car and I watched how aggressive he was, and then I drove behind him and I matched his speed.
Yeah.
And I was able to pick up like a little bit of style. I didn't understand what style was in driving.
Yeah.
But you know, it's cool.
It's
Maybe
cool,
I'll
man.
get to be a little bit taller after I drive with you.
Maybe a little bit longer down here. Now, whoa!
See though?
I hope you guys enjoyed today's Matsuri video. I'm actually in Shibuya right now, having a little bit of a date day with May, and it's been a lot of fun just switching off and relaxing, but I did forget to film the outro for this one. So I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, write the comment, and subscribe. Today, when this video goes live, is literally the last day. I think you guys have roughly 12 hours before the pre-order for the Team SAMMIT support pack is no longer available, as well as the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales of 20% off when using code BF20. So jump on that, especially if you want one of our new Christmas sweaters at a discounted price. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you're excited for Vlogmas. I'll see you all tomorrow for another vlog. Peace.